How to redeem Roblox gift card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can redeem Roblox gift card. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's dive right into it. First process is open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. You can just use the web browser in which you are comfortable playing Roblox. After you do that, you'll need to then search for roblox.com/redeem. So this is the website. After you type in roblox.com/redeem, hit enter, and the website should start loading. After you do that, you'll find yourself in redeem Roblox code section where you'll need to type in the code in this option right here in this section. And after you type in the code, you can then tap on redeem option. After you do that, if you have typed in a correct or valid code, your card will get redeemed. And it's that simple, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and goodbye.